Hi, I'm Lorna, a University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City. Have you heard the acronym IPM and wondered just what it stands for? It stands for Integrated Pest Management. These three words encompass a worldwide science. This research-based management system is used to solve pest problems while minimizing risk to our environment. It's truly worldwide. There are established research and training organizations on every continent of the world. The IPM strategy is not just used in agriculture or farms. It's used in conservation areas, parks, forests, home gardens, suburban lawns and landscapes, to get rid of city rats and roaches, used in hospitals, schools, and daycare centers, every ecosystem on the planet. IPM is a 5-step approach that we all can learn to manage pests. IPM Step 1 is to monitor your garden to identify any pest. We want to stop the practice of pesticide spraying as a preventative. Get out in your garden and watch for issues every day, whether it's an insect pest or symptoms of disease. Look closer to determine how big of a problem it is. IPM Step 2 is to evaluate. In agriculture, farmers and managers use science to know the threshold where economic damage is real. It can be less clear for us as home gardeners to determine our tolerance. IPM Step 3 is to prevent. In our gardens, these may be controls like buying resistant varieties. Around the house, it might be maintenance like caulking cracks, cleaning up debris, and dumping standing water. IPM Step 4 is taking action. You've determined additional control strategies are needed. In our gardens, ideally, these will be non-chemical controls, such as removing the pests by hand. But you may have determined that a chemical pesticide needs to be used. Select the least damaging pesticide and use best practices in application. Read the label. Remember, the label is the law. Again, the University of Missouri Extension or your local university extension can give you best practices for your area. Finally, IPM Step 5 is monitoring. You assess the results of your pest management strategy. By journaling your observations, you will build a fantastic resource for your gardening experience. Integrated pest management is almost a lifestyle, learning the steps of the process and finding the science-based resources online. Throughout the year, our Tuesday Tip team will bring you a little deeper dive into integrated pest management and point out IPM practices for your garden. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the garden.